Are your students struggling with maths? Well, do not worry because we have found a solution to conquer the math phobia and transform the way students learn and perceive mathematics. Inspired by the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, our innovative models turns complex concepts into engaging solutions with endless applications. To address this, we proudly represent world's first comprehensive math lab, that is EduMeasy, Education Made Easy Math Lab, that is completely curated by IIT Jodhpur experts. This lab is completely according to the new Educational Policy 2020. It covers entire syllabus of each and every grade, and let me tell you, according to the NEP 2020, it is recommended for every school to install a math lab in their respective institution. So without further ado, let's dive into the magical world of mathematics. So this is our fun, engaging, effective math lab. As you can see, यहाँ हमारे पास में there are 6 iron boards जो सब डेवलप्ड हैं अपने अपने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स के ऊपर, जिनके ऊपर हम डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट्स हम लर्न करते हैं। इन सारे बोर्ड्स के साथ में आपको स्टैंड्स भी मिलेंगे एंड रिस्पेक्टिव टूल्स जो इनके ऊपर दे स्टिक ऑन देम बिकॉज ये मैग्नेटिकली इनके ऊपर स्टिक हो जाता है। इन सबके पीछे मैग्नेट्स प्रोवाइडेड है। ये बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है, फन है, लर्निंग एंगेजिंग है। और अब हम एक एक बोर्ड की तरफ चलेंगे और हम देखेंगे कि क्या स्पेसिफिक क्वालिटीज हैं इनकी और हम क्या स्पेसिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स इनके ऊपर सीख सकते हैं। तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर फर्स्ट आयरन बोर्ड। So this is our first board, that is our geometry expositor. आप देख सकते हैं इस पे अलग अलग सर्कुलर डायग्राम्स बने हुए हैं जिन पे अलग अलग एंगल्स को मार्क किया गया है। उसके अलावा there are a lot of magnetic sticks, जैसा कि हमने पहले भी बताया। To perform these experiments हम लोगों के पास बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं, अलग अलग इंचेस की और सेंटीमीटर्स की हमारे पास में या मैग्नेटिक स्टिक्स हैं जो कि इस बोर्ड के ऊपर ऐसे स्टिक हो जाती है। एक एक्सपेरिमेंट इस पे हम करके देखते हैं। तो लेट्स लुक एट आवर फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑन दिस ज्योमेट्री एक्सपोजिटर। यहाँ पे मैंने 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म किया है और देखिए मैं मेरे एंगल रोटेटर को रोटेट कर रही हूँ और मैंने इसको 60 डिग्री पे लाकर यहाँ फिक्स कर दिया है। अब यहाँ से हमें समझ में आ रहा है द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज अ 60 डिग्री एंगल एंड दिस इज अ 30 डिग्री एंगल और हमें पता है द सम ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री। और अगर आपके पास में एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है तो आप 90 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके दूसरा निकाल सकते हैं, उसका काउंटर पार्ट। करेक्ट। सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट इसके ऊपर इतना अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन हो रहा है एंड आप इसको विजुअली देख रहे हैं तो अब आपको ही हमेशा के लिए याद रहेगा। लेट्स लुक एट सम अदर एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑल्सो, जिससे कि हम समझ सकें कि हम इस पे कैसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। तो लेट मी जस्ट मेक अ ट्रायंगल फॉर यू ऑल। लेट्स लुक एट अनदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट। यहाँ पे मैंने आपके सामने एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल फॉर्म किया है। ये सारी स्टिक्स जो है मैग्नेटिक स्टिक्स, दे आर ऑल ऑफ 37 सेंटीमीटर, हेंस फॉर्मिंग एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। आप देख सकते हैं कि इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का जो इंटरनल एंगल है वो है 60 डिग्री, जो कि आपको दिखाया जाता है। नाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली विजुअली लुक एट इट। इसी तरह से आप अलग अलग स्टिक्स ले सकते हैं ऑफ डिफरेंट मेजर और आप अलग अलग टाइप के ट्रायंगल्स को फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, यानी कि आइसोसेलेस या स्केलिन ट्रायंगल। ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है। अगर मैं यहां से इसे थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट कर दूं और ये वाली स्टिक को यहां से मैं थोड़ा सा बेंड कर दूं, आप देखिए ये ट्रायंगल फॉर्म नहीं हो पा रहा है अगर मैं इससे एक स्केलिन या आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूं तो, बिकॉज ये सारी स्टिक्स जो है वो इक्वल मेजर की है। आप इससे बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टीज को प्रूव कर सकते हैं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के एंगल्स को आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। उसके अलावा सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स, कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स, बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप इस बोर्ड के ऊपर विजुअली परफॉर्म करके लर्न कर सकते हैं और वो आपको हमेशा याद रहेंगे बिकॉज एज वी टोल्ड यू अ पिक्चर इज वर्थ 1,000 वर्ड्स। Let's come to our next board, that is a coordinate system demonstrator. इसके ऊपर हम अलग अलग equations को plot करके देख सकते हैं, whether it be linear equations in one variable, two variable, complex equations also, you know, your quadratic equations, cubic equations, हर तरह की। Let's first plot a linear equation. तो अगर मुझे x plus y equals to 2 इस पे प्लॉट करना है, put x equals to 0 you get y2, put y equals to 0 you get x2। तो मैंने 2,0 एंड 0,2 के ऊपर से गुजरते हुए एक मैग्नेटिक स्टिक को प्लॉट कर दिया है इसके ऊपर। देखिए, इससे आपको कितने सारे कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ रहे हैं। सबसे पहले आपको पता है लीनियर इक्वेशन का जो ग्राफ होता है, इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच यू कैन सी ओवर हियर दैट दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। आपको पता है कि एक्स एक्सिस का जो कोऑर्डिनेट और वाई एक्सिस के कोऑर्डिनेट जहां पे ये कट करते हैं, जहां पे भी एक्स एक्सिस पे कट करती है लाइन वहां पे y 0 होता है, और जहां पे y एक्सिस पे लाइन कट करती है वहां पे x 0 होता है। उसके अलावा all the points that will satisfy the equation of this line will lie on this straight line, और ये endlessly दोनों साइड में एक्सटेंड करती है। So many concepts एक विजुअल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में आपको समझ में आ गए। Let's look at one another experiment. मेरे पास में यहाँ पे 3 मैग्नेटिक डॉट्स हैं और मैं इनको यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देती हूँ। Let me just form a triangle for you all. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ जो मैंने ट्राइंगल फॉर्म किया है, ऑब्वियसली इसका एरिया 0 नहीं होगा। इसका एरिया आप हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट से फाइंड कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर मैं इस डॉट को उठा के एक्स एक्सिस पे ही प्लेस कर दूं, तो नाउ ऑल द 3 पॉइंट्स आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन, यानी ये कोलिनियर है। और हमें पता है कि जब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल 0 होता है तो हमारे पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर होते हैं, दैट इज दे लाई इन द सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन। दिस नाउ यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट एवर, बिकॉज आपने ये विजुअली यहाँ पे देखा है। इसके अलावा आप बहुत सारी और चीजें यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं, जैसे कि हाउ टू प्लॉट अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल पैराबोला की हेल्प से। यहाँ पे मेरे पास में एक वायर है और मैग्नेटिक डॉट्स हैं जिनकी हेल्प से मैं इसे प्लॉट कर सकती हूँ। कोई भी इक्वेशन हो आप उसका ग्राफ प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, वेदर इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और अ लीनियर इक्वेशन और अ क्यूबिक इक्वेशन। तो आप इस पैराबोला को यहाँ प्लेस कर दीजिए इस तरह से, and you can actually plot any kind of graph that you want. Apart from all this, we can prove many other concepts like proving the distance formula, how to verify the Pythagoras theorem, what is the difference between the solutions of an equation and zeros of an equation. Other than that, we can actually explore the concepts of when do we get a no solution, infinitely many solutions, or one unique solution. So this is a circle descriptor. As you can see, we have a circle over here. इस पे हम बहुत सारे experiments perform कर सकते हैं on the properties of a circle, tangents to a circle, and we can actually prove all the theorems of the circle via this circle descriptor. Let me just make one chord of the circle. Chord of the circle is a line joining one point on the circumference to the other point, like this. A circle can have many chords, but please remember the largest chord in a circle is the diameter. एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है that the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord of a circle bisects the chord, which you can actually visually see कि ये perpendicular है which is drawn from the center to this chord and it is actually bisecting the chord in equal halves. So this is one property. इस तरह की बहुत सारी properties आप prove कर सकते हैं on this circle descriptor. Apart from that, we can prove many concepts of fractions also. So let's look at one such concept. Let me put on some plates over here. और मैं multicolored plates use कर रही हूँ. So I have red colored plates. These are magnetic plates by the way because they stick on this iron board. So let's understand the concept of fractions now. How many red colored plates or what fraction of red colored plates do I have? So let's see how many total plates are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 10 plates, out of which 3 are red colored. So what fraction? 3 by 10. Similarly, 3 by 10 fraction of yellow colored plates are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10 fraction of green colored plates are there. Similarly, you can also explore the concept of probability. What is the probability of picking up or selecting one red colored plate or a red colored plate? There are total 3 out of 10, so the probability of selecting a red colored plate is 3 by 10. So you can explore many such concepts on this board, all the concepts of circles, all the theorems of circles, tangents to a circles, and many more things. Okay, so let's come to our next board. This is a very interesting board, one of my personal favorites. This is a number system operator. As you can see, we can actually visualize the number line, and I can visualize 3 different number families right now. So if I hide all the numbers, from here, like 0 and the negative numbers, you can just see the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, all the positive numbers. If I just unhide the 0, you can actually visualize the whole number family. And when I remove my hand from all the negative integers or negative numbers, you can visualize the entire integer number family, which contains of the negative integers, the positive integers, and 0, which is actually neither negative nor positive. You can also visualize the concept that when we move upside or right towards the number line, the numbers keep on increasing. When we move downwards or left towards the number line, the numbers keep on decreasing. So let's explore the concept of a predecessor and a successor. Let's find the predecessor and successor of -2. Now what happens is, students usually know that predecessor of a number is 1 less than a given number, and they would immediately answer -1 is the predecessor of -2, which is entirely wrong, because to find a predecessor of a number, what do you need to do? Number line में या तो आपको 1 step नीचे जाना होता है, या फिर आपको left towards the number line move करना होता है. So to find the predecessor, I need to move towards the left of the number line. I have to actually go to -3. I have to move downwards. So -2 का predecessor is -3, not -1. -1 is the successor of -2. Now this concept is fit into your head and you will never forget it, क्योंकि आपने visually यहाँ पे देखा है होते हुए. इसके अलावा we can explore many other concepts on this board. We can actually learn the concepts of additive inverse, additive identity, of closure properties, all the operations that can be done on numbers, we can do it on the number line. So let's move towards our next board. Now let's come to our mensuration evaluator. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, we have these tools which are these magnetic sticks which actually stick on these iron boards, और हमारे सारे experiments करना becomes very easy for us. Okay? So see, I have these plates. These are also magnetic. इनको लगा के I can explore the concepts of graph, that is bar graph, as you can see over here. I can also find area and perimeter of different shapes, regular or irregular, with the help of these magnetic plates. Okay, apart from that, I have these smaller sticks also. And let's actually find the area of a rectangle. Okay, so let's make a rectangle. I have a rectangle over here, as you can see. And let's find the area of this rectangle. You know how do we find the area, correct? What would be the traditional method on the graph? I have to count all the squares that are there inside this, coming inside the boundary of this, because each square is actually a 1 centimeter square. And then we add all the squares, and that would be the area of this rectangle. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So vertically I have 5 squares and horizontally I have 7 squares. So how many total squares would lie in this? 7 into 5, 35. And so the area would be 35 centimeter square. This is where we get the formula to find the area of a rectangle. What do you do to find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. ये किया अभी हमने, length into breadth, right? What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeter. What is the breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I did, 7 into 5, that was 35 centimeter square. This is how we develop the formula to find the area of a rectangle. Now, if I divide this rectangle with the help of a diagonal, let me do that. Okay, so I have divided this rectangle with the help of a diagonal, and now I actually get 2 triangles. These 2 triangles are exactly alike each other, so they are congruent to each other. So I can say the entire rectangle's area got divided into half part. Therefore, what I did to find the area of a rectangle? Breadth into length or length into breadth, right? Or in other words, I can say base into height, just to change the vocabulary. That's how you find the area of a triangle. This is half of this rectangle's area. So area of this one triangle is half into base into the height. Area of this triangle is also half into the base into the height. That's how you get the formula to find the area of a triangle. So simple, so easy. Now you will never forget it. इसके अलावा you can actually find so many other things. You can plot histograms on this. As I already said, you can find the area of regular and irregular shape with the help of these plates or with the help of these sticks. Apart from that, Heron's formula and many other complex concepts can also be learned and visualized on this board. So this is an algebra annotator, and we can actually explain the algebraic expressions and equations on this board. As you can see, I have an algebraic equation x plus 2 equals to 3. So let's find the solution of this equation with the help of transposing and also by balancing the equation. Okay, so let's first do the transposing method. You know you will have to send this 2 on the RHS, and because you will send it to the RHS, the plus operator will convert into the minus operator, which is happening. We are getting 3 minus 2 on the RHS, and we still have x on the LHS. So what do we get now? X equals to 3 minus 2. Alright, now in the next step, 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So we actually find the value of x at this step, x equals to 1. We can solve this exact equation by balancing method also. Let's look at that. So we have a balancing beam over here, and I have 3 pods on that beam, on the RHS beam. Why? Because see, x plus 2 equals to 3. Because I have a 2 constant over here, I'll put 2 pods. Okay. Now to make both the sides equal, what do I need? I have to put one more pod on this side, hence proving that the value of x will be 1, and then only it can become 3 equals to 3. So this is how you can explain concepts very easily on this algebraic annotator. So we finally found the answer, x is equals to 1. We can represent this on the number line as well. Look over here, x's value is equals to 1. We have many such more plates, and we can explore so many concepts. You can actually find the difference between a polynomial and an algebraic expression. Why do we not consider each and every algebraic expression to be a polynomial? And hence you can also explore all the concepts of exponents and powers and many other concepts also. All the experiments that are performed on these models have been integrated into this DIY easy to use kit, which can be given to each and every student, and they can actually perform these experiments on their own. Inside these DIY kits, we provide a manual which is completely as per the NCERT curriculum. All the experiments are easily explained inside these manuals. We also provide with every tool like different boards. Apart from that, all the tools to perform the experiments are also given along in the board. Apart from these 6 iron boards and the tools and equipments that come along with it, we will also provide you with 3D shapes for your comprehensive and interesting studies. Our EduM Easy Lab is completely comprehensive and easy to use. We have divided all the experiments into different manuals, and we have provided the manuals from class 6th to class 10th. All the manuals are available bilingually, that is, they are available in English and Hindi medium both. You can actually find the index where all the experiments are divided, and your entire syllabus is covered in this experiments. We will also provide you with a video subscription where you will be given a username and password, and you can access the video tutorial on how to access this lab and how to operate it. Apart from that, when our team will install the lab at your institute, they will give you one hands-on training experience, and they will also add you to a WhatsApp group, and they will give you a service number where you can further contact them on facing any other difficulties.